Everyone is talking about how AI is taking jobs. And yes, it's true, a lot of repetitive tasks are being automated. But here's the thing, not all skills can be replaced by AI. In fact, if you master the right ones, you'll not only be safe, you'll be in higher demand than ever. So in today's video, I'm breaking down 6 high-income skills that AI won't replace in 2026, and how you can start building them right now to future-proof your career and increase your income. Stick around, because the last one might just surprise you. Skill 1. Leadership and emotional intelligence. Let's start with the most underrated, but most powerful skill. Leadership and emotional intelligence. AI can process data, run analytics, and even generate content, but it cannot inspire, motivate, or lead humans. Think about it, companies don't just need managers, they need leaders who can connect with people, resolve conflicts, and build trust. If you can develop emotional intelligence, meaning you understand yourself and others, you'll always be valuable. Leaders who combine vision with empathy will earn 6 figures and beyond because they drive real impact that AI simply can't replicate. Skill 2. Sales and persuasion. Number 2 is sales and persuasion. AI can create chatbots or write email sequences, but when it comes to high-ticket deals, negotiations, and influencing real human behavior, that's where people step in. In 2026, businesses will still need people who can close deals, pitch ideas, and build relationships. The human trust factor is irreplaceable. If you can master sales psychology, negotiation tactics, and persuasion, whether in person, on Zoom, or even on stage, you'll never run out of opportunities. Top sales professionals in the US are already making $250,000 plus per year, and those who use AI as a tool to speed up prospecting will dominate. Skill 3. Strategic thinking and problem solving. Third up. Strategic thinking and problem solving. AI is great at answering questions, but it still struggles with thinking strategically in complex, unpredictable environments. Here's an example. Let's say your business suddenly loses its biggest client. AI can give you suggestions, but it can't truly weigh the human, financial, and emotional aspects of that decision the way you can. Strategic thinkers, the ones who look at the bigger picture, spot patterns, and make decisions under uncertainty, will always be in demand. That's why CEOs, consultants, and top strategists make 6 and even 7 figures. They're not just executing tasks, they're charting the future. Skill 4. Creativity and storytelling. Number 4 is creativity and storytelling. Yes, AI can generate text, images, even music, but here's the catch: it's still limited by what already exists. True creativity is about connecting ideas in new ways, evoking emotion, and telling stories that resonate with people. Whether it's creating a brand, producing a film, writing a book, or even making YouTube videos, storytelling is a human-driven art. Advertisers, filmmakers, content creators, and marketers who master storytelling will always stand out because people don't connect with robots. They connect with real human experiences. And the best part, in a noisy, AI-driven world, authentic creativity will become even more valuable. Skill 5. Personal branding and influence. Number 5 is personal branding and influence. Think about it. I can write posts, but it cannot be you. Building a strong personal brand, whether on YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, or podcasts, is one of the most powerful ways to create high-income opportunities. When you become known as the go-to authority in your field, people come to you with opportunities, partnerships, speaking gigs, and high-ticket clients. Influencers and thought leaders who leverage AI as a tool but build their brand on authenticity, trust, and human presence will dominate in 2026. And here's the kicker. You don't need millions of followers. Even a niche brand with a loyal audience can generate 6 to 7 figures. Skill 6. Adaptability and continuous learning. And finally, adaptability and continuous learning. Here's the truth. AI will keep evolving. The job market will keep changing. The only real future-proof skill is your ability to adapt, learn new things, and reinvent yourself. People who resist change will struggle, but those who stay curious, embrace new tools, and pivot quickly will thrive. Adaptability is what separates the winners from the ones left behind. Employers, clients, and investors all look for people who can handle uncertainty and turn challenges into opportunities. If you can cultivate this mindset, you'll not only survive the AI revolution, you'll thrive in it. Conclusion. So, let's recap the 6 high-income skills AI won't replace in 2026. Leadership and emotional intelligence, sales and persuasion, strategic thinking and problem solving, creativity and storytelling, personal branding and influence, adaptability and continuous learning. Here's the takeaway. AI isn't your enemy, it's your tool. The people who thrive in 2026 will be those who combine AI efficiency with uniquely human skills. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these skills are you going to start building today? Drop it in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as I can. And if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on AI, money, and future skills, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Because remember, the future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans who know how to use AI replacing those who don't.